Hi, 313. I'm really excited about our Europe research project that we're going to be started, but there's a few things that we need to learn about how to complete this project before we get started. So, first off, you're going to have a choice for this project if you want to do your project in Google Slides or if you want to type the exact same project into Google Docs. Now, my recommendation is to use Google Slides because I think it will be really nice to create a slideshow. And Google Slides is a little bit easier to add pictures and change the colors of your writing and all of that kind of stuff. But if you are someone that has trouble using Google Slides because maybe you're using an iPad and you can't click in, or you find that it's hard to submit your work, you can do the exact same project in Google Docs, which is totally fine. On your project, you're going to see places that say your country name here. That is where you will fill in the country that you are researching. So many people are researching Italy or France or Germany. You would type in Italy and you can get rid of the parentheses there because this is your informational writing project about Italy. And down here, you type in your name. Now, on every single slide, you can just click to type very easily. We will not be doing this whole project at one time, but instead, we will be doing pieces each day. I'm going to walk you through the slides first, and then I'm going to tell you how to find your project on Google Classroom. Now, the first page is our title page, and that's what we're looking at right here. The next page is asking us, what do we already know about our country? We're going to list 3 facts that we might already know. And then what do you want to know about your country, or what do you want to learn? And you're going to list 3 facts or 3 things that you would want to learn about. So maybe, for example, you want to know what kind of food do they eat in France? If that's something that you would want to know, you would type that in there. Maybe you already know in Italy, they eat pizza and pasta. If you already knew that, you would type that in there. The next slide is our research overview. You don't need to type anything on this slide. It's just telling you the subtopics we will be researching. So for this project, we're going to be looking at general information, food, customs, and fun facts. And under that, we're going to look at the population, the climate, the languages, the capital cities, common ingredients that they use in their cooking, holidays, traditions, clothes, and some interesting facts. Now, here's where we get to writing. Each day, we're going to write a different part of our project. So, for example, first we have an introduction. And this is where we will tell the reader what we're researching and how we're going to do it. So I started you off with a strong opening sentence that said, "Welcome to your virtual tour of name of country." Remember, that's where you write in the name of the country. It says, "Today we are going to learn about topic 1, 2, 3, and 4. About the country of your name of country." Topics 1, 2, 3, and 4 are from your research overview. And then your name of country, again, you know what that is. Then Remember, we never, never, never end a paragraph without a strong closing sentence. I put some examples here for you, and you'll finish off your paragraph with a strong closing sentence. Moving on, we have our research slides. Each research slide is a little bit different, but here are some things that are the same. So first off, you have 5 different websites here that you can use for research. In addition, on Google Classroom, I will also be linking books for you to read that have lots of good information as well. Then you'll see these boxes where you will type in your research or your facts. We will use these boxes just like we did in the classroom to then create our paragraphs for our writing. Before we get to putting it all together in a paragraph, I added strong topic sentences and strong closing sentences. This is a list that we actually came up with in our classroom when we did our weather project. I tweaked them a little bit to be about our countries, but this is stuff that you actually helped me write. So I thought, why not put it in the slides for you to use for this project as well? After you do your research, you will use the information that you already gathered to write your paragraph. We will do this each day. There will also be sections for you to add a picture of your country or maybe the food or the clothes or whatever topic you are researching. You can go onto the internet to find pictures and add them right into your slides or into your Google Docs. Each day, we will research a different topic. So this is for food. Then we'll write our paragraph about food. We'll research the holidays and the customs. And then we'll write our paragraph. We'll research fun facts. And then we'll list our paragraph or list our fun facts, something a little different. And then we'll wrap it up with a strong conclusion. And then you'll have finished your project. So this project is going to take many, many days, but in the end, I have confidence that it's going to turn out to be really, really interesting. If you're going to choose to do it on Google Docs, you'll notice it looks almost the same. Few little differences. Maybe the color of a slide is different, but I tried to keep it as similar as possible for you. Now, you might be wondering, how am I going to find this on Google Classroom? And we will learn about that in our next video. So make sure you come back to the next video and learn, how do I find my project on Google Classroom? I'll see you there.